Good day everyone! We are about to proceed in making my second activity in computer-aided design. Our previous video was all about basic application of 2D Autocad commands wherein we create a single object. This time, we are going to do 6 objects to further expand our knowledge in AutoCAD. It looks like this. And before we start, I just want to inform you that the measurements of these objects are set by own. The first object is this. We will begin by the command C with a radius of 2. From its center, we will make a downward vertical line of 6, followed by the line with 4 cm. Next is the line from the center of this until it touches the side of the circle, and then close it with this end. Then on this side, we will make a line from this center to the left with 4 distance, and connect it with the side of circle at 60 degrees. And the last line is from here up to the center of our circle. And we're done on our first object. The second is this figure. In making this, I chose to first have 3.5 size of a polygon. So we will type polygon and enter the number of sides, which is 6. And then choose inscribe, then type 3.5. We will rotate it to be same as this. And move. After this, we will make our guidelines to make an equal side of circle inside. It was just like a triangle shape. And another lines again, from this up to this, then this, and this last. Then we will make our circles. Type C and point it from the center of our main line to the center of our guidelines. Another circle again. And last is to delete the guidelines for us to have our final look. We will just move it and we're done. Next is this parallel-like figure. We will use the command line to move to make a cross in the center. Type line with the size 8, then enter. And from its center, we will again make a line on both sides with the size naman of 4. Then a polygon. Enter 8 sides, inscribed, and place it up to this line again. And to have an exact measurement, I chose again to set our guidelines. We will make a line from this center and its center again. And to create the first side, we will set our lines from this top up to the center of our guidelines, and then this line from this up to this. This time we will delete and trim the guidelines we used. Next, we will mirror this one side. After having this, the next step is to simply array it. We will select both sides, then type array, polar, and point it to the center of our figure. Next is to edit out the number of items to 8. Enter, and we're done to our third figure. Then move. For the fourth figure, as you can see, it is basically circle, of course. So we will start with the command C with 3.5 as its size. Then align a horizontal line for our guidelines. From the center, we will again make a 5.25 line with 45 degrees angle. We will type at 5.25 tab 45 degrees. Enter. Then extend this line with 5.25 again. For the other side, we will use 135 degrees as its angle. Then extend again. Next is to have a circle for these four sides, from this up to this and so on. Now, delete the guidelines that we used. Select this center circle and click offset. From this going outside, we will set 0.5, and for the smaller circle, we will be offsetting it going inside. And the last part is to trim the excess lines. Then move. We will now proceed to our fifth figure. We'll use the command rectangle, and I set its size to 7. After this, we will make a diagonal line for both sides. For the next step, we will offset these two lines until we already filled up the whole square. Type O and click from this point up to end and set it to 0.7. After that, the last step that we're going to do is to trim the excess lines that is not part of our object. then move. And for our sixth and last figure to create, type the command C, which measures 2.5 of radius. Then we will offset it by 0.5 inside. After that, we will make a straight line on its center. And trim the left side, also this line at the center. Next is to create a line again from here up to here and offset it to 0.5 until it reaches the center. And a straight line again from this upper offset up to the last. Select the whole figure and use the command array polar. Click this and change the number of items to 4. Then enter. Move this to its right position and we are all done to our second activity. Oops! Wait! I did not check it pala. I forgot to put line in this figure. And finally, we're done. As you can see, we are done to all of the objects that we need to create. So it's all in this video. Thank you for watching and I hope to see you soon. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Keep faithing and God bless.